hello to you all. We have solved many people's social media problems in Turkey. This is our original channel. We have 11,000 subscribers. We have more than 100 videos, and here on social media, we are resolving the problems that people face. Today, I'm here for you. I know you're having trouble on Instagram, and I'm here to solve it. You can base it on our original channel here. You can examine it. There are proofs, videos that we solved the problem of hundreds of people. You can check the comments, guys. Whatever your problem on Instagram, we ensure a solution with a definite 100% result. If you want support on this matter, there is a WhatsApp number in the description.
Hopefully it will happen from
You
there.
can get in touch with me. You can send me a message on my WhatsApp number. You can write your problem. I will try to help as much as I can. Our topic is about Instagram login problems and issues. If you're also having trouble logging into Instagram, I am giving you an updated form, and this form, you can find this link in the description section. You click on this link, and then friends, you just write your first and last name here, email address, and you send your Instagram username, your phone number, and your message here. Your message indicating the problem you are experiencing, you write and send it. Then, if you have a Gmail account registered on Instagram or not, press it. You just log in to any Gmail address from here, guys. We can write here, it says support@instagram.com, friends, and then let's write help me. We are sending the same message here that we just sent at this link. Then you wait for 24 hours. After waiting for 24 hours, you download a free VPN, and then you're logging into Instagram. You're logging in via VPN. And has the problem been solved or not? You are checking it out, guys. That's all I had to share for today. I hope I've been useful to you. If you're encountering issues on Instagram, you can reach out to me. You can contact via WhatsApp. I'll try to help you as much as I can. See you. Bye-bye.